How to install R Studio. Installing R Studio for the first time can sometimes be tricky. You need to first install R before you can install R Studio. Go to your favorite web browser on your device, either Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Go to scan.r-project.org. Click on the version that is compatible with your device. Then click on any of the options. The first is OK. Automatically it will download. Go to where it downloaded, then install. You don't need to open. Then go to your web browser and search for www.rstudio.com. Click on Product, then click on R Studio, then click on R Studio Desktop, and click on Download R Studio Desktop. Scroll down, the one recommended for your device will appear. Then download and install R Studio. With this, you'll be able to use R Studio on your device. Kindly note that you can't install R Studio on your phone or your tablets.